Hi everyone, and thank you so much for joining us today in this episode of CBD 101. My name is Erin, and I am joined today by Becca, and we are going to talk to you about how you can gift each one of our Nature's Ultra CBD products. We are going to start with our newest member of the Nature's Ultra line by Young Living, and that is the Cbd Beauty Boost. Becca, talk to us about this basket.
Awesome, Erin. So just like you said, this is the Cbd Beauty Boost basket. So of course, that is the product that we are featuring here. Along with the Cbd Beauty Boost, we've also included the Bloom line by Young Living. So we have the Bloom Cleanser, the Bloom Essence, and the Bloom Lotion in this basket as well. We've also decided to throw in some lipstick by Savvy Minerals, and we've decided to add a rose quartz roller. This basket would be perfect for one of your beautiful friends, and of course feel free to personalize this basket to the recipient because we know that CBD is such a personal product.
Now let's move on to our next basket that you can gift for the holidays. In this basket, we are featuring our CBD Muscle Rub by Nature's Ultra, and some other things that you could put in this basket with this wonderful rub. We have the OrthoSport Massage Oil. We also have Ein Corn Granola. It's one of my favorites, great after a workout. We have the Pure Protein Complete Vanilla Spice, and of course we are putting in the blender bottle because that is great to, if you're running out on the go and you just need to get a quick protein kick in, then that's a great thing to use. I also have some of the protein power bites in here. And then I have a sweat towel, which is super awesome to have. And then over here, I also have the Vitality Clove, something that you could just add to your water throughout the day as well. So this is our Nature's Ultra CBD Muscle Rub gift basket.
So this basket features the Nature's Ultra Calm Roll-On. And along with the Calm Roll-On, we've included some of our favorite Young Living products. So we have our Lavender Essential Oil, which you cannot live without. And then we've got our Lavender Lip Balm as well. This basket is going to be perfect for anyone in your life that's needing a little extra calm. And so we've also included a mindfulness journal and then some lavender-infused fuzzy socks for a little extra comfort as well.
Great basket for the holidays. This basket features our CBD Citrus Oil. We also have in this wonderful basket Young Living water bottle. We have the Young Living Vitality Drops Lavender Lemonade. We also have the Young Living Citrus Fresh Vitality. We have the Thieves Chest Rub, great going into the holiday season. Hiding back here, peace and calming, always nice when you have a lot of relatives, friends, and family around. And then we have these cute little flower pots. We have a little sunflower and a little daisy. Those are really awesome to add a little bit of happiness during the holiday season. Then we have these Wolfberry Bars. These are a great little treat, especially if you're running around, maybe life is a little chaotic this time of the year. We have some fun hand towels. And then we have the Luscious Lemon Foaming Hand Soap. This basket is really great for someone who maybe needs a little bit of sunshine during this holiday season.
All right, so this basket features our Cinnamon CBD Oil, and this basket is designed for anyone that just needs a little more warmth and comfort in their life during this holiday season. Along with the CBD oil, we've got our Thieves Roll-On for the holidays. We've also got our Thieves Vitality Oil as well. We have included a cute little warm and cozy mug in the basket, and then we have these cute little jars, and these are full of little marshmallows, and then we've got some hot cocoa as well, and then of course some cinnamon sticks.
This is our final basket, and in this basket we are featuring the Cool Mint CBD Oil, some other products and items that you can put in here. We have the Young Living Peppermint Vitality. We also have the Vanilla Lemongrass Green Tea. And then we put in this hot and cold thermos. We also put in this daily and just life planner. And this has a lot of inspiration in it besides being a planner for day-to-day activities. And then we have our sleek bars. We put a couple of those in the basket. Those are great for on the go. We have the Bon Voyage kit. Great for travel, but also great to just have in your car, no matter where you're going. And then we have the Ein Corn Granola. This is also a quick, on-the-go kind of a snack, or you can have it with your favorite dairy beverage.
And remember, when you're gifting CBD, CBD is an incredibly personal product. And so it's important when you're assembling these baskets to really think of the recipient of the basket and to think of what might be best for them and for their lives. So yeah, remember to keep it personal and to think of the recipient when creating these.
Wonderful, I love that tip. Hopefully you've gotten some really great ideas about how you can gift our Nature's Ultra CBD products. And we look forward to seeing you next time on CBD 101. We wish you a very happy and healthy holiday season. And please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.